Drawing facial features isn't always easy to do. See how to properly map out a face right here at BoredBox. Begin by drawing a circle for the main part of the skull. This circle will encapsulate everything from the bottom of the nose to the cheekbones and upward. Draw a line down the center of the circle vertically. Add a jawline and define the rest of the shape of the head. It should be like an oval. To properly map out the face, cut the face equally in half horizontally. This is where the eyes will go. Cut the space between the eye line and the bottom of the chin in half horizontally. This is where the nose should go. Cut the space between the nose and the chin in half horizontally. This is where the mouth will go. To space out the eyes correctly, separate the line into 5 equal sections. Section 2 and 4 is where the eyes will go. Draw 2 circles in sections 2 and 4 to begin the eyes. The space between the eye line and the nose line is where the ears begin and end. Draw a straight line down from the inner corner of the eyes to the nose line. These guides help define the nose width. Use that same line guide to define where the eyebrows should begin. Draw a line from the center of the nose to the center of the eye. This is where the eyebrow arch should begin. Draw a line from the center of the nose to the edge of the eye. This is where the eyebrow should end. Define the eyebrow shape based on those guide points. Add the top lids moving from the corner of the eyes, which begins slightly below the middle line, round over the shape of the eyeball and end at the back of the eyeball on the middle line. Add in the bottom lid in the same fashion, creating an almond type shape. Add in the iris by creating partial circles in the middle of the eyes. Draw nose structure details, then sketch out the shape of the lips. The width of the lips is often determined by drawing a line from the centers of the eyes down to the lip line. Although facial details vary from person to person, this guide will help you get on the right track when creating your portrait. For more lessons in art, crafts, DIYs, tips, and tutorials, visit getboredbox.com and subscribe to our channel by clicking at the top. Thanks for watching!